Hello everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add a Google Map to Shopify store. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So what you're going to do is, first of all, to add your maps, simply search for a map integration, since Shopify itself do not provide this feature yet. So you have a lot of integrations that are going to be having different type of store locator, or you can see we have this Omnium map, and this is going to be helping us to easily incorporate maps onto our site. So really cool stuff. You can add customizations as well. Make sure to choose something with a solid rating. You can see Google Map store locator, and yeah, so I hope this is the one that you're looking for. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.